Okay, so now that everybody has taken all of the surveys, I'm going to show you guys how to create a table and a chart in Google Sheets using this real life data that you guys were just able to collect. So let's go with this one. What is your favorite ice cream flavor? So you can see here all of the choices that are available and then how many people chose each one. So what you would do next is open a new Google Sheets document. And you would do that by going to your drive, clicking on Google Sheets. Open that new document. First thing you would do, like we always do, is rename your document. So right here, I would name this Google Sheets survey. And I would then favorite ice cream as the title. Remember, we always want to merge these cells, and we learned about that, merging those cells and centering it because it is a title. So let's take a look at what our options are. And for the sake of time, I'm going to go quickly. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, Oreo, and mint. So we have vanilla, strawberry, chocolate, Oreo, and mint. And then here where you're going to put the number of that were chosen. And again, for the sake of time, we're going to take a look here. So we have 2, 4, 3, 4, 1. So then we would go back to our Google Sheets and put in 2, 4, 3, 4, 1. And remember, when you're making a true chart, you always want to put a border around everything. It just kind of makes it look all nice and cohesive. So now that we have our data, what we would do is highlight it. You're going to go to the chart, and this is going to bring up a bar chart. But for this assignment, we want to go to the chart editor and change it to a pie chart. You would make your pie chart a little bit smaller. And then here you have a chart and your table for the survey questions that you did.